beautiful morning to bring you some tips and tricks that we have learned throughout the years on how to have a fun day at a theme park. So come join us. Here's the QR code for the Carowinds Fun Guide. For your convenience, you can check this to see what's going on in Carowinds on the day you're watching this.
So, tip number 1 for cooling off, make use of the canopy here. During the summer, this is all grown in, shades very, very well. There's nice airflow in here, lots of benches to sit on, and it makes a great place to beat the heat.
One big tip is to download the Carowinds app. It has a lot of uses that make your day in the park much more enjoyable. The park map can be filtered to show you rides, shows, food, even restrooms. Ride info includes ride description, height requirements, wait times, and even more. There's also park hours and notifications about the park. Heck, you can even buy your passes in the app.
Carowinds is cashless, but not to worry if you only have cash with you. They have 5 of these cash to card kiosks around the park. You can find them in the app. They'll show you the map of where they're located. This one's near the arcade in County Fair. You just put your cash in, and then you'll put in the information and the amount you want, and then you get your card out. And it's a Visa debit card, so you can use it anywhere, not just in Carowinds.
That way you're not wasting your money.
Exactly. Carowinds has a new chaperone policy for guests 15 and under after 4 o'clock. For details about this policy, you can check the Carowinds website or their app. So the Carolina heat and humidity is no joke. So the next tip is stay hydrated. There are 2 ways that you can do that here at Carowinds. One is the refillable cups. They have the seasonal afterburn going. They have the seasonal refillable cup for, I think it's $34.99. You get free refills, I think it's like every 10 minutes, all season long. Then there's a day cup as well. It's a different color. I think it's orange. I can't remember the price. We'll insert the price here. For the day cup, if you're only going to be here for a day, it's free refills all day long. So you can get, there's all the restaurants, there are some other places around the park that you can get refills as well, and including there's some Coke Freestyle machines close to Jukebox Diner. Then a free way of staying hydrated. This was a tip that we got from another YouTuber who got it from another viewer. These collapsible silicone cups. These are great. Take the top off. This one's been used today. Pop it up. You get free water at any of the restaurants, at the Coke machines, even at the Freestyle machines. You drink your water, put it back together, and it fits perfectly in your backpack or in your even in your fanny pack, and for guys with cargo pants, it'll fit in there as well.
What about the bars?
The bars as well, you can get free water there. We just finished at Terminal A, and we were able to get free water to go along with our frozen margarita and our low ceiling.
For lunch today, we decided to try Papa Luigi's. We haven't been here this season, but last season we were a little underwhelmed by the pizza. I'm interested to see if they've made any changes. Given how many people are in line, I'm optimistic. So the pizza comes in pizza baskets, 2 slices and breadstick in each basket, and you can use your refillable cups here as well. You can also get free water here. Remember, you're at a theme park. Name of the game, stay hydrated.
Okay, our review of Papa Luigi's pizza. It was a bit of a surprise today. A very good surprise, actually.
Yes.
I got the pepperoni pizza, and Amy, you got the...
I got a vegetable pizza.
Yeah.
Didn't even know they had it.
The pepperoni was really tasty. It wasn't too salty, but as with any pepperoni, yes, it was greasy.
Very.
Yeah. It took some napkins to actually get that cleaned up. But yeah, the crust itself.
Oh, that was delicious.
Yeah, it was rather surprised. It's a hand-tossed crust, and even with all the cheese that was on it, the crust was actually still crispy and had a really good flavor to it.
Yeah, and yet the end crust, it was crispy yet still soft inside, which is not easy for a lot of places to do.
Yeah. So you had the veggie pizza. What was on it?
It was mushrooms. There were some different peppers and onions on it. Not a lot of toppings on it, but what was on there was delicious. You don't normally see mushrooms in a theme park, especially on a theme park pizza, but it was good.
All right. So, Papa Luigi's, 2 thumbs up. There we go.
We'll edit that part out. So, bonus tip, check with the rest of your party before you leave the house, just in case you end up wearing the same shirt.
No, this was not planned.
No. Let me fix that. Fix it.
And she's good.
So, today I'm going to try and get over some of my fears. I used to ride Dreamweaver all the time and I loved it. It's been over 20 years, so I'm going to ride it for the first time today. I'm trying to work my way up to being able to ride Velocicoaster at Universal in September. Wish me luck.
Yeah, I wish we had Velocicoaster here.
Yeah.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
And feet inside the car at all times. If you have any questions about riding, please see a ride attendant before boarding. Thank you and enjoy.
Here she comes. Let's see how she did. All right, 2 thumbs up. So, what'd you think?
That was awesome. I wish I'd been able to ride it before this. Unfortunately, my anxiety had gotten the better of me before, and I was really missing out. A little dizzy, though, I will say that. But so, don't ride this right after eating. But, by all means, come ride it. It's great. I'll ride it again.
You ready to go try some other rides?
I am going to try and build up to going on Carolina Cyclone today, since I had done that as well. About the same time I rode Dreamweaver a long time ago.
All right, so we'll go Cyclone, then what? Intimidator?
Give me a bit first, and then Intimidator? No, not today. I'm concentrating on the 2 rides that I have ridden before.
Carowinds has the guest code of conduct posted at several locations throughout the park. They also have a number posted that you can text if you see any safety or security concerns.
So Carowinds moved to a smoke-free park last year. They have one smoking area that is outside of the north gate, and it's right over here beside the parking lot. It is, if you're coming out of the park, is to the right. It's to the left. On the North Carolina side, there is no smoking of any kind within the park itself. That includes vapes.
And if you're looking for first aid, there is a first aid station right here. It's beside Chicky and Pete's. It's right between where Carolina Boardwalk and the county fair meet.
Okay, so this is your first time riding Carolina Cyclone in over 20 years.
I figure if I was able to do Screenweaver for the first time today, in over 20 years, then I'm going to try and tackle this one now as well. Hi.
God have mercy on her soul. All right, here she comes. I see a grin. All right, what'd you think?
It was a lot of fun. It was as fun as remembered, except that I don't remember it being quite that rough. It will jerk you around. So
Yeah.
it's either because it's 20 plus years older or because I'm 20 plus years older.
I think it's more the coaster than it is you because, yeah, it banged me around a bit too.
But I rode it.
Good job.
So when you're at an amusement park, you're going to be doing a lot of walking. So it's very important to wear a comfortable, broken-in set of shoes. Don't go buy your brand new set of tennis shoes or your trendy sandals and come wear them first day into the park. The sore feet and the blisters will certainly remind you that you took the bad choices.
And no flip-flops either.
Yep. A lot of the rides, your feet will be dangling, so wear shoes that are going to actually stay on your feet.
Pardon the mud. This is still from the Highland Games a few weeks ago. Another tip is make sure you get here early, especially on Saturdays and even Sundays. The park gets crowded, so you want to be here as early as you can so that some of those rides are basically walkways.
Good advice for any park.
And the last tip is just have fun. You're at a theme park. It's okay to be a little silly. Look at Tony.
Well, guys, thank you for joining us today, Carowinds. Hope you enjoyed our tips, tricks, and getting over fears video today. I know Amy is definitely looking forward to overcoming her fears on the coasters. She's already done Cyclone and Screenweaver, working her way up through Afterburn and Carolina Cobra.
Not yet.
Sorry, not Carolina Cobra, Copperhead Strike, so that you can eventually get to Velocicoaster. Everybody, cheer her on, fingers crossed. Let's hope she can get there.
Fingers crossed.
So, as always, if you like the video, please click like, subscribe, that'll help us out on the channel, and click that bell notification so that you can see upcoming videos when they come out. See you on the next excursion.
Bye.